You want to grow your audience fast with a giveaway? Just let's make a simple giveaway funnel in GoHighLevel. So welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. If that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button and make sure to check the link from the description to get the 30 days free trial link for the GoHighLevel and the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses for you. So don't miss the offer, just grab the offer from the link in the description and let's get back to the video. So first of all, you have to log in your account in GoHighLevel. Once you are inside, just click on this site here, and here you will be redirected on this funnel tab. Now click on this new funnel and go with this from blank. If you want, then you can use the template or AI, but for example, I will use this from blank. So just give it a name. Now click on this create button here. Now you have to create only two pages here. First of all, the first page will be the giveaway detail page, and second is the normal thank you page. Okay, so let's create that. First of all, now click on this add new step. So just give it a name and now click on this create funnel step. Now click on this create from blank. Now simply just add here your giveaway detail. So to do that, just click on this plus button, and let's say I want to add a heading first. Now I'm adding a paragraph here. Write the detail of your giveaway here. Okay, just click on this and add a form here to participate your visitors. Okay, I have a form for the registration, so I'm adding this, the first name, last name, and the email. And here you have to select the redirection, the next step. Okay, go to next step. Okay, so now click on this save here and go back to the funnel page. Now create a new funnel. To do that, just simply create a add new step and give it a name, the thank you. Okay, again click on this create from blank. So basically after submitting their form, people will be redirected on this page, on the thank you page, and then they will redirect it to our website. So I will add here a heading simply. So I'm just changing the text and I will add here a button. Then I will set the button action. Here it is, button action. I will set the website URL, and this is our website, and that's it. Now click on this save. So that's it. Basically your giveaway funnel is ready, and you can just share this with your audience by using the link. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.